I dip the whip. I'm kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip. A little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip. Be my girl, be shine. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip.
What's good? It's your girl Cherish. Cherish, 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 ayy. Cherish, 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 ayy. And ain't no stopping when you poppin'. And I'm back with another video. So today I'm doing my lovely mother's hair for her birthday. She was supposed to go to Cabo, but I just decorated the house for her, and she had like a little get together. No Cabo, but hey, it's whatever. So today I'm gonna do these twists. This is my first time doing them on her hair. I used expression hair and it was super long, so I cut it in half. And we used rubber band method. I first started without the rubber bands to see if it'll work, and it was a little bit slippish to me. It was slipping, so I was like, nah, that's not gonna work. So I had to try the rubber band method. And she got this mixed hair. It's like brown and black. And yeah, so what I do, I twist it outwards and then I'll twist it inward to get on the braid. So this hairstyle was about 5 hours or so, longer than usual. I'm really fast at box braids, like 3 to 6 hours, but this took me about 5 hours to do, and I feel like this should have been like a 3-hour job maybe, but it was my first time and she wanted her parts to be triangle shape, and I tried to do the best I could on this hairstyle. Okay, so the camera died. I am at the top of the head, and I'm just trying to see where I want to lay these triangle parts, because I'm not trying to make a middle part. I'm just trying to make it to where they lay side by side. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so now I don't have a crochet tool, so I'm just putting the rubber band on there without a crochet tool. I'll put it on one side of the hair, and then I will twist it all together at the end. Yeah, because I did not have my crochet tool. So yeah, like I said before, I'm twisting outward and then I'm twisting inward. If that makes sense, I don't know. But I twist each side out and then in. And I make sure that I don't get it, tangled. Because if it gets tangled, then that's not going to work. But yeah. So yeah, this style, it takes a long time. And how long she wanted them just takes patience, lovelies, she is coming together. We are almost done, so I'm just still twisting, still making sure that all the edge control is on her hair. Now I do notice that with this hairstyle, as I twist, the twists get bigger, so it all depends on if you want to use like small pieces. If you want it to be small, then you would use less hair than what I use, because they ended up being bigger than what I thought. But it was still cute, and she almost ready, y'all. She almost ready. Sis, if you made it this far, come on now. If you ain't subscribed, subscribe now. Turn on those post notification bells, because you know that I do what I do, and when I do it, I do it. Yes, I be hooking people up, y'all know it. So go ahead and subscribe, like this video, because you know I'm doing my thing. Alright, so we getting somewhere. We at the top of the head. Almost done. And I know she gonna be happy, because she was sitting there for a long time, falling asleep and everything. So I feel like this method is the best method, especially if your client has like straight hair like my client, my mother. If your client has hair like this, then this is the best method, because like I said, the first ones I started with, they were slipping and I was not popping. So yeah, I started using the rubber bands and it was amazing. Now me personally, I don't like using rubber bands because I feel like it hurts your hair, but her hair is pretty strong, pretty long hair don't care, so it was cool for her. And yeah, so right now I'm just finishing it up. We are gonna dip it in the end, but I'm not gonna show you that because she was so tired that we did it the next morning. But yeah, we are gonna dip it. And of course I'm gonna put mousse at the end, and then it wasn't too many flyaways, like I guess this hair is a good hair. I don't know, I don't really use expression hair. I just know it was long as hell. So we started her hair probably like at like 11. So yeah, she's super tired, that's why she's falling asleep. But ooh, she coming together. She is almost done. So I'm just about done, and of course I left her baby hairs out because that's what she likes to leave out. She always likes to leave out her baby hairs, so that's what we left out. And we are almost done. So I tried to put like different colors all in between, so it'll have like that mixed look, we are done. Yes, she is ready for her party at Cabo. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.